Welcome to KRT Arts BH Commerce and AM Science College, popularly known as KTHM College Nasik. Today's topic of discussion is how to use Autocrat add-on given in Google Sheet, which is an easy alternative of Certify EM. For that purpose, initially you have to log into your Google Drive and prepare few things. As you may observe now, any one of the quiz by using Google Form, certificate with Google Slide, and Google Sheet of responses collected through your quiz. One folder for newly generated certificates. So let us start. Open your Google quiz and check out the settings as well as all the parameters, whether they are correct or not. Then open the Google slide and add the parameters which you want to reflect on the certificates in the double angle bracket. As you observe, I have inserted the name of participant and the name of the college as a basic parameter which may reflect on the certificate. Now move on and click on Google Sheet and then click on the add-on tab given on the menu bar. If you are using Autocrat at the first time, then system will ask you to install it and then you have to open the add-on button. Autocrat consists of 8 to 9 steps. Follow the steps as you observe in the video. I have already prepared one job which we will going to edit. In the second step, give suitable job name and click on the next button. Choose a suitable template by clicking on the From tab, Drive tab and choose Google Slide in where you have to prepare your certificate and click on the next button. I have choose the same slide which will be reflected here and click on the next button. Map the source data to the template. The parameter which you want to insert in the certificate will be automatically mapped as you currently observed here. If the parameters are correct, then click on the next button. In the next step, you have to give the file name and select the default document type as PDF and click on the next button. Add the location of desired folder by clicking on the choose folder button and select the desired folder where you want to deposit your newly generated certificates and click on the next button. Do not change this step as it may not required. click on the next button. Step number 7 is important. For getting the certificate, you have to set some conditions or a score limit. Then you have to add the condition in the step number 7. For that purpose, click on the add button and select a particular column which you want to add the condition. Here I have inserted two conditions, pass and fail. If a student will pass the quiz, he or she will automatically get the certificate. If the if he or she fail, the system will not send the certificate. So I have added the condition equals to pass and click on the next button. In the next step, you have to click on yes button, which means you want to share the documents. The default file type is PDF. Then allow collaborator to reshare and click on yes button to send a generic reply. Add email address by clicking on the blue ribbon given on the left side and click on the email address. Then paste the email address. System will automatically reply on the basis of email addresses. Insert a subject of your reply and insert a message which you want to send as a reply along with the newly generated certificate and click on the next button. Here in the last step, the system will give you two types of trigger. You may use a second trigger which can be run on time. Click on the yes button and choose a particular time interval on which you want to send the certificate. Here I have choose 1 hour time interval to send or share the certificates who have qualified the quiz and click on the save button. Our add-on is ready. Now you may send the link of your quiz to your students and wait until your student will solve the quiz. All the responses will be generated in the form of Google Sheet. The system will automatically trigger after 1 hour and send the certificates. Same will be generated manually by clicking on the play button given on the Autocrat add-on. As you observe here, you have to click on this run job button to send the certificates immediately. The system will work on that and send the certificates. Close the tab and go to extreme right. You will observe the generated certificates. Click on the link and you will get the generated certificate. See, my name is automatically inserted here and the name of my college also inserted in the certificate. Go to your Gmail account and check whether system sends you a certificate or not. Yes, I will get the automatic reply by Autocrat. And the same certificate will be sent by the Autocrat system to me. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like this video, share it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.